Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to black out information or something on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and here you will find this protect option, click here. And this is mark for reduction option, click here. You can mark text and images, click here. And select your images you want to black out and redact and see this. And press right button for your mouse cursor and select apply. It cannot be undone and simply select OK. As this text will black out. Also you can black out in page, type your page number here. Page number 3 and select OK. And see this page number 3 also black out. If what you can black out this image and press right button for your mouse cursor and select apply and select OK and see this. In this way you can black out any page, text or any object or your PDF file and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.